2009 was the International Year of Astronomy and marked 400 years since Galileo Galilei, an Italian astronomer, doctor and mathematician, first used a telescope to look into space. So on Apple Pie this week I will explain what you may be able to see in the night sky on a clear night. But first let's look at the numbers. Our nearest star is of course the Sun, which is quite a young star, as it is only 4.5 billion years old. But when you look up at the Sun, you do not see it as it is now. You see it as it is 8 minutes ago. This is because it takes light 8 minutes to travel 150 million kilometres from the Sun to Earth. Our next closest star is Alpha Centauri. It is 41 trillion kilometres away from Earth. That's 12 zeros. And light takes about 4 years and 4 months to reach us. Enter the light year. Has measurements of large distances. This is a distance that light travels in a year. So what is there to see in the night sky? Ancient people looked for groups of stars, now called constellations. These are made up from pictures. Among these were Orion the Hunter, a group of 8 stars, and Leo the Lion, a group of 9 stars. One of the easiest to see is a set of 7 stars, which looks like an old plough. Not surprisingly, this is called the Plough. In ages gone, people used the position of the plough to tell them when it is the best time to sow and harvest their crops. Some of the best things to look out for are shooting stars. These aren't actually stars at all, but are particles of dust and rocks, and sometimes space waste, as here, which are often referred to as meteoroids. These burn up in the Earth's atmosphere as they crash towards Earth. In April, the swift and bright lurid meteors will disintegrate as it hits our atmosphere. They often produce luminous trails of dust that can be observed for several seconds. But please remember, keep safe. If you're going somewhere away from home to look for meteors, tell someone and take your mobile phone and give them a time to expect you home. On that thought, back to the studio.